Hey, it's Mike. I tell you, I want to talk about GameStop because they had an impressive run yesterday. It was up over 7.5%, settling in at 11.57. And this was after it had probably one of the worst weeks that you could have in a stock, where it went up from 15 all the way down to 10.40. So I think what really happened to GameStop, there was no real news for that big, almost 30% slide. I think it just got to a point where it got oversold, and it's going to begin to move back up. And I do expect that we're going to have the Santa Claus rally in November and December, and GameStop will definitely participate into it. So it probably will repair most of this damage that came from that slide that we had last week. I could definitely see it going pretty quickly back up to 12 and a half, like meet the halfway point of this slide and probably settle there. So if you look at the top was about 15 to 1040, so maybe about 1260 to 1275. I could see it going up another 10% pretty fast, unless the market has some sort of downturn, if there's some sort of weird news about the election or anything that comes out of left field. But right now, I think that GameStop has a clear sailing up another 10%, and hopefully by the end of the year could get back up to that 15 level. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of buying overall. The tech stocks tend to be really powerful in November, December, especially e-commerce stocks tend to be the leaders. And you'll be surprised, especially like leading up to Black Friday and Cyber Monday, if companies like GameStop report really good numbers, because sometimes a lot of these e-commerce companies, if they have a really powerful Black Friday or Cyber Monday, they don't even wait until earnings. They'll just tell you, look, we did this much business, and then that really propels these stocks higher. So I would definitely take a look at that. Of course, GameStop is going to have a lot of sales with the new consoles coming out, and they're making a big push into e-commerce. And I think they're going to have a very impressive fourth quarter and have an unexpectedly large amount of sales through their website now that they're making their big push into e-commerce. So things are looking good for GameStop. It can kind of be hard to ride a stock like this, especially when it goes up and down. I mean, you just take a look at this 1 month chart. It went from 10 to 15, back to 1040, now back up to 1157. You need a strong stomach to participate in a stock like this. But I do think longer term, GameStop is going to do really, really well. I think they're very serious about going into e-commerce, and that's going to save this company literally from going bankrupt. So that's my thoughts on GameStop. I'm going to do more videos on GameStop in the future if any news comes out. So you want to watch out for that. If you do, just go ahead and like this video, because it'll help the algorithm push more GameStop stock videos towards you. And go ahead and subscribe, because I do multiple daily updates on everything from stocks to options, trading strategies and whatnot. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.